In this video, I will show you how to send money from Australia to Pakistan. To do this, I would personally use Remitly. So you can just go to Remitly's website or app, and from there just set your country to Australia and set the country you are sending to Pakistan. From there select it, and then scroll down a little bit until you see the exchange rate, and from there click get this rate. Now you will need to sign up if you don't have an account. If you already have one, you can sign in. Now from here, just click on send money, and then here you can choose how much you want to send. Now for me it's in euro and the Dutch flag. For you it will be the Australian dollar and the Australian flag, but the process is the exact same. Just enter how much you want to send, then you will see how much they are going to receive, then click continue. Then choose the delivery method, so you can do a bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money. For example, I'll use mobile money. Then here select which wallet they use if you picked mobile money. Otherwise, you will, for example, need to select which bank they use. So just enter your recipient's details, such as their first and last name. Then the details for actually sending the money, so in this case, phone number. And then from there, you can go and select how you want to pay for the transfer. So just select the payment method, and then click continue. And then you will get to the overview. Here just make sure all the details are correct. You can also see how long it will take, so this one will deliver within 10 minutes. And if it's correct, just pay for the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Pakistan. So now you know how to send money from Australia to Pakistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.